In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a project from Replit. Whether you're transitioning to another tool, backing up your work, or sharing your project with someone else, exporting is a fundamental task you'll eventually need to perform. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to confidently export any project from Replit. So let's get started. First things first, we need to log into Replit. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and open your browser, navigate to the Replit website, and enter your credentials. Once you're in, this will grant you access to all your existing projects. Now that you're logged in, locate and open the specific Replit project you wish to export. You'll find your list of projects on the dashboard, a convenient starting point to access and manage your work. Once your project is open, you should take a moment to look over the file panel. Typically, your project files will be visible on the right side of the screen. If they're not, don't worry. Simply locate the folder icon, which is often labeled Project, and give it a click. This little trick will neatly display all your files, making the next steps a lot easier to follow. With your files visible, let's move on to the file panel's top corner, where you'll find those three little dots. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options, but the one we're interested in is the Download as Zip option. By selecting this, you'll be able to conveniently package your entire project into a zip file, which makes it much simpler to download and manage outside of Replit. After selecting Download as Zip, your computer will prompt you to specify where you want the zip file saved. Choose a location that's easy to remember, perhaps a dedicated folder for your various projects, or a similar organizational system that works for your needs. This will ensure you can quickly locate the file when you need it. Once you've decided where to save the zip file and completed the download, there's one final step. Head to the folder where you saved the zip file. To extract its contents, right-click the zip file and select Extract All. This action will unpack your project, essentially turning it back into its original structure, but now housed on your own computer. And that's it. You've successfully exported, saved, and extracted your Replit project. With these clear steps, replicating this process for future projects should be smooth and straightforward. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials, and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn.